On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
Good morning, Honor Gang. Let's go. Oh, man, we're back. I'm so excited. I'm trying to hold it in. You know, you take a week off and then all of a sudden you're like, man, this is weird. Like, I'm not used to, like, not working. You can ask any of the mods. I don't stop. So, wow. Just got back from Vegas, baby. Got back from Vegas. Good to be home. Settling in. Updating the Discord. Ready to trade. My God. So many stories I got to share with you guys. So many good times. So many good people. Incredible time. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you've all had a wonderful trading week. You guys said... you guys were down last week, 41% down. So I guess we got to change that because that ain't acceptable. Because we winners here. We like to kick ass, take names, make lots of money. The community is an edge, and I'm glad to be back. I'm actually very happy to be back, and I'm excited to get started. Let's jump into the charts, baby. What's going on, everybody? Make sure you guys are saying good morning. I feel like, did I get shrinkage here? Do I look a little smaller than usual? Because I am short. And you can tell by all the pictures now with everybody. My God, Infinite Team TA, my guy. We got lurkers in the chat already. Oh, man, it's good to be back. Let's see. Them otters in the chat for Infinite Team TA, my guy, man. God bless you, bro. Short as F, yeah, man. Short as F. Man, it's almost like we have to go through the whole history of everything. But right now we have an SFP of the low. Okay, trying to bounce off the point of control of the range into a buy level. I like lower. I like down here. This is like I believe it's a previous day pivot. Yep, right in here. 1037. I'm ready, baby. I'm ready. I'm not going to overtrade today, though. You know, we're popping our... I made $300 yesterday. I mean, I came home. I had a little chill trading session. We gave the short up here. I was able to long this move up here as well. So a couple little scalps in the evening, you know, getting... I wanted to get my feet wet before I traded live. You know, I wanted to kind of, you know, get the rust off, do a little shake up, you know, grease the wheel, all that kind of stuff. So we're good to go for you guys this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. God bless every single one of you. Infinite Team TA, we'll get to you, man. We'll get to you, bro. We're going to change this. We got to change this poll, man. I don't like seeing that you guys were down last week, but it was a very, like, from what I saw, it was a very choppy week last week, right? Put a 1 in the chat if that was choppy, man. It looked choppy as F, man. Jesse, what's going on? Quick Smoker, my man. Good to see you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. What is this experience thing that's going on here? The crowns and stuff. Anyways, Weeze, what's going on? Aziz, what's going on? Good morning, gang. Like number 4, Jeffrey Stone Saper, Super Ofertas. Let's go, my man. Blue collar trades. Gotta love them blue collar trades, man. God bless you. Thank you for everything you do. I know the grind, man. I know the grind. What's going on? Jesse Donato Cabrera. Lorelei. Woohoo, he's back. Let's go, Lorelei. Good to see you. Thank you so much for being here. Let's keep an eye on Biddy right now. This is down right now. Right now, we got a perfect wick retest. Okay, so we have a wick test in here that we do trade in the Discord. And a retest continuation down. I'm not sure if we bounce here. We're entering the bounce zone. Like I said, I'd like to see lower. We'll see if we get it. A little bit of patience right now. Very aggressive downtrend. We can track that right now if we want, just to be prepared. But we have closed the CME gap, so everybody's aware. CME gap has been closed, so we're not gap hunting today. So be aware of that as well. The Nasdaq looked like shite last night. Now it has bounced, put in a higher high. So can it continue to push up? We'll see. And we'll see what happens for Bitcoin. We're prepared. We're ready. We're looking for some trades. But for now, you got a nice double top in here, roll over here. We were talking about this yesterday, and we said this is a very pathetic low. Okay, I would like to see the SFP and then go, but we'll go over all of that. I got to continue to stay high to all the gang. What's going on? Muckin, Dragonfly, Crypto Rob, John Foster, Crypto, my man. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Buck in the chat. I met Buck, man. What an amazing person as well. Buck is not only hilarious, but he's handsome as well. Oh, SFP right now. In a little volume pickup right now. Oof. Getting bought up quite quickly off of this point of control here. Nice SFP volume coming in. A little slap down. We're below VWAP, actually very overextended here. We could be looking for a potential long backup, but I just want to make sure that we do have confirmed structure in here to push back up. We don't want to be longing into something like this that rolls over. Okay, so let's be patient here. Like we said, retest of the wick, continuation down right now. I'm actually looking down here. This is where I'm looking. We got a previous day pivot right in here. 103.7. Okay, so we'll see if we do. Nice volume though. We'll see if we do get a push further down, or if we get a reclaim, right? If we reclaim and we close above here, we can definitely get long as well. So a little bit of patience right now, everybody, as we get into this. I believe we do have news coming out. My God, what's going on here? See, I'm getting all set up properly here. Got ISM manufacturing, that's coming out at 10 a.m. And do we have Jerome Powell speaking today? Is that absolute Todger speaking today? I think he is, man. The guy opens his mouth and the market does something. What's going on? Sniper's Nightmare, my man. What's going on? Gang. Thank you for keeping the Discord safe while I was gone. Sniper's Nightmare, Jazz Tech, PNBM. What's going on, Lurker? Good to see you, Bitcoin Dreamer. Fingers crossed for a bull season. Yeah, a lot of people getting bearish. Hello from Sweden. Welcome. Thank you, Dylan, for being here. Andrew Cameron Zena with the pink hand. Good morning to you. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Alexandra G. Let's go, man. This is... You feel like you've been away. I feel like I've been away for a year now. Wally, good morning. Infinite Team TA. My brother, God bless you, man. Guys, if you're not following Infinite Team TA, make sure you guys go check out his channel as well. Nice bounce here. Oof. Okay, we got hammer. We got a nice hammer on the 3-minute here. No doji engulfing here, but nice hammer. We'll see how the 5-minute prints. Very chop volume, chop, volume, chop, volume, right? This is not something I like to trade too much. So let's try to be patient here Monday morning. Trying to get our toes wet, but still looking here first at 1037 and then looking for that SFP. I should mark out that SFP properly here so that we do know we got an SFP here. And then we have the SFP here. Swing failure pattern. I get asked SFP. What's an SFP all the time? And it's what would Buck call it? SFP. What would your acronyms be for an SFP, Buck? Maybe I shouldn't ask you that question. You're gonna give me something dirty. All right. Let me get rid of this too. Our point of control. That's fine. We know where we're at. We'll see if we do bounce off of this, but not looking too good here for Biddy. Rolling over. Crypto trainee, what's going on? Call me Dave. Dream big. What's going on? Curtis Neal in the chat. My man, what's going on, bro? Good to see you guys in here. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly, baby. Let's go. Ando, Poncho, Curtis Neal, Seymour Liddy, my man. What's going on, brother? Good to see you guys as well. God bless you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Infinite Team TA. Whose song? My song, man. Better call KP. Frost Dog Billionaire. Let's go. Yeehaw. Yeehaw, man. This is great, man. Roaming Brave. TJ, what's going on? Welcome back. Thank you for being here. Roaming Brave. To all the lurkers in the chat, I would appreciate a good morning, man. Get this party started. Looking for the SFP right now. No. Yeah. We'll see how it goes. Jay Violet, what's going on? Good to see you. Milan Jaztech, good to see you back. Thank you for welcoming me back. And thank you guys. You know, there's always a fear. You know, you take some time off. And right now we got 260 people on this stream. And you guys smashing up the like buttons. I feel like I've never left. But there's always a fear when you leave. And like I was streaming like here and there. But when you leave and you're not doing your regular show, that you're going to lose your friends that you trade with, right? Because you guys are my friends. Like we were all here trying to press buy and sell on this stupid ass market, and you know, trying to do it successfully and manage our risk. And it's not easy, but you come back and you're like, man, you just hope you've done enough to keep the people who you're working with and try to do better, right? It's always like there's a fear of like you want to just keep crushing it, and you don't want to leave your little YouTube baby with the babysitter. You know what I mean? Who was Kyle in this case, right? Kyle was my babysitter. Thank you, Kyle, wherever you are. But I hope, you know, I just want to make sure you guys are always being guided by the right people. That's always important to me. Demetrius, what's going on? Crypto Birdie, Curtis Neal, Infinite Team TA, Dex, what's going on? Blair Stevenson. Okay, no trade here. It still looks like it's going to roll over here, guys. So not looking too good. Hopefully this is a Monday false move if we're looking at this really. Yeah, coming down for these lows right now. So we're looking in here generally for a push back up. We got our daily pivots in here. Okay. 2 sweeps of the lows. Nice order block liquidity zone down in here. So we could sweep that. We called the short last night up in here. It did come back for a nasty retest and then dump again. So 4 a.m. kind of BS kind of dump. So we'll see what we get. But we were prepared for the short up here in the Discord. Now, I know we had a sale on and we extended the sale. That sale is still on today. I'm ending it today. That's just, I'll let you guys all know. I'm ending it today. Today is the last day for the sale. Pedro, Lurker, Carlos, Lurker, Anime, Lurker, Breezy, Lurker, Christos, Lurker, Robert, Gillian, I believe you've said good morning before. Good morning to you. Ryan, Lurker. Let's go. Mishra, Lurker. Dream Capture, Lurker. Taco Berry 1 collects, Lurker. Mr. Pancakes himself, what's going on, bro? Good to see you in here, my man. F-Bomb, what's going on, bro? How you doing? Good morning to you. Jamie Martin, Lurker. We got Heir to the Ron, Lurker. And Henrik. And Daniel, Bono, Lurker. and the man, the myth, the legend. Good morning, Blair Stevenson. Good to see you. Good morning, Anonymous. Good morning, Curtis Neal. Infinite Team TA with the gifted memberships. God bless you, bro. Guys, go check out Infinite Team TA. He's got a beautiful channel here. He's got 112 subscribers. If we could pump up his numbers, that would be great. Go and check out Infinite Team TA. Thank you for the beautiful membership gifting, man. God bless you, bro. Marcus, good to see you. Binksy, good morning. Donato Cabrera, Chantel, Crypto Mike, good morning. Lurkers in the chat. Lurker. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Thank you so much for the gifted memberships. Look at all these people in here. So nice SFP here. We're getting a little mini bull div right now. Little mini bull div in here. Nothing. It's not really. This is scam jam, man. This is complete scam jam. Look at this thing. 1 minute chart. NASDAQ's pushing. S&P, we'll see how it gaps today. Yeah. This is lower. This says lower to me. Until we do something like this where we push. Lower. There's no short here. The short really was here if we were going to take it. Got the wick test in here, mini order block, okay? That would have been the short from here if we were taking the short within this range. Easy risk management above this high here, but nothing right now. What I would like to see is SFP come down, bounce, and go. Okay, so we wait. Trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting. It's good to be back. We don't want to rush it. I know you guys all want to rush it. You guys all are like, man, you've missed a week of trading with me. Oh, man. This is never financial advice. Come on, I'm just some carpenter guy who wasn't able to rent the midget booth, but, you know, we did our best. Okay, there's all the gifted memberships. Rob S., good morning. Infinite Team TA. Randy Taylor, good morning. Thanks for the good info. Good to be here, man. Thank you for being here. All Facts Crypto Rob, Greg Nowak, Andrew Cameron, my man. Synthetic, good morning. Good to see you, bro. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Moonshot. Thank you guys for being here. Donato Cabrera, Curtis Neal, Quick Smoker, Jazz Tech, Jay Violet, Infinite Team, Dusty Hunt. Neo Dog, good morning. Good evening. Walsh Jesse, the hardest name to say 5 times. Quick. Walsh Jesse. Abdif Mohammed, what's going on, man? Good to see you, bro. Jeffrey Stone Cypher, Proth Dog. Okay. Third SFP is a charm. This is bleeding, man. This is a no trade zone, baby. This is just getting more. Volume is dying on this push down, though. Volume is fading here. So we have decrease in volume, which is always nice. Decrease in volume, which suggests the sellers are getting exhausted, right? Suggests that. So the buyers are coming in here and sellers aren't able to push price down. They're trying, but it does suggest a little bit of a potential for a bounce. Let's put on the fake trade, guys. The fake trade. Pretend. I mean, this would be a cheeky little scalp here if you were to take it. I'm not taking this trade. I'm just saying this would be a cheeky scalp. Oh, man. We ain't taking the cheeky trades today, okay? We're going to try and be level-headed, right? Because it's a new month. We had an amazing month last month. I mean, incredible trading month for me, even with a week off. So very happy with the results from last month. Continuing to compound the account. Accounts over 29,600 or something like that, which is good. Continuing to compound. Yeah, good times, man. Good times. What's going on, Splash Landing? Infinite Team TA Neff. Good morning, Matthew L. Good morning, Tom G. What's going on? Good to see you guys. Now, I am trading the $100,000 account. I do have 10,000 that I trade with every morning. As you guys can see here, 10,000. I traded yesterday, made $300. There's my extra $300. So I should be putting that over into the spot. $300, 292, right? Move that over there. Keep it at 10K. I like keeping it fresh. 10K. Start off the week, right? 29 here, 29,520 from last month. So I got to rotate that over into the beautiful holdings in the hot and cold storage. Okay, always rotate those profits off and try to keep it real. Always being transparent and honest here. That's what we pride ourselves on. You know, a lot of people thank me at the conference for just, sharing everything, being transparent and honest. And I'm like, it's funny how you can be in an industry and all you have to do is like tell the truth. and your people respect that, right? It shows you what kind of industry we're in, really, right? Doesn't it? It's like scammy bullshit. Anyways, we won't go into that today. I'm trying to be positive today. Good to be back. What's going on, Neff? Good to see you. Phoenix, good morning. Buck, Dan Nixon, good morning to you. What's going on? What is this number 2? I see a wedge. You want a wedgie? You see a falling wedge here? Okay. 15-minute wedgie? You're looking at something like this? I don't know. Or something like this? Could pop off, yeah. Could pop off. No bottoming structure yet, though. SFP in the place to be? We'll see. We'll see. Good to see everybody here, man. Incredible. Think we take the fair value gap down to 103.5. We'll go over that, Al Jr. There's a couple targets. We have Curtis Neal. Good morning. Good morning, Christos. Good morning, Jesse. Good luck. What is this community thing? Oh, you guys all in competition here. You guys got a swinging pee-pee competition here. Swinging. Who's got the biggest pee-pee swinging here? Oh, they have. This is all new to me. Swinging dicks, as we would say. Wick 589. What's going on, Wick? Good to see you, man. You missed the midget tossing booth, man. It was quite a throw. Samad, what's going on? Good to see you from Pakistan. Ace of Hearts 420. What's going on? Yes, back in the saddle. Let's go, Dave Digital in the chat, man. God bless you, bro. Good to see you, man. How's it going? Dave, are you short? Come on, we gave you the short last night, bro. I told you where to get short. We got the long off the VWAP slap, right? Right here. VWAP slap up into our order block. Double top, rotation down. You should be short, Dave. Anyways, Dave's probably not trading at 4 a.m. VWAP slap, perfect. Last night, continuation trade. Dave Digital. Applying the knowledge, man. I love it. I love it. Good to see you, bro. And it was awesome hanging out, bro. Sorry we didn't get to play tennis or do the midget tossing booth, but we'll get to it, man. We'll get to it eventually. There's lots of time left in this life, so very nice meeting you in Vegas, baby. What's going on? Froth Dog Billionaire. Community leaderboard is cooked as, bro. Yeah, you can tell he's an Aussie. Cooked as. Let's go, Infinite Team, my man. Good morning, Wick 589. Infinite Team, J Violet. Dragonfly DDT in the chat. What's going on, Darren? Good to see you, bro. Darren, are you short? Because I am physically, and I'm not in a trade right now. But damn, this thing rolling over. Bleeding out. Dusty, what's going on? Good to see you. Bitcoin sucks. Good to see you, man. Not great. Thanks, Jesse. Good to see you, JR. Are your friends really, or are we YouTube chat fishbowl people? And you feed us little fish flakes of wisdom and love. I mean, we're all friends here. We just want everybody to win, man. Philly Skills, no fear. Glad you had a chance to meet the lifer. Funny, a week ago you were letting us know his skills and your scalp gold. Yeah, man. I met Lifer. Lifer was actually really helpful when I went to Sin City Crypto and I did a live stream there. And he helped me because I think Lifer used to work in IT or something. But there was you guys know me. There was too many wires. I'm a carpenter, and I'm like, the HDMI goes into the left port, the right port goes into the, and like I couldn't figure it out, man. I couldn't get the mic hooked up, and Lifer took the time to help me set it all up, which was really kind of him. It was nice meeting him. I mean, everybody's cool, man. It's just, you know, it's the industry. It's always you gotta suss it out, man. You gotta be careful of like who you mix with, what things people are shilling, right? Like I think it's like, you know, it's nice to see that the people that I do like box with are good people. Billy, Dave, all of them. Billy Goat Tails, Tradefly, played golf. I got some pictures for you guys. I could whip them up if you guys wanted. Golf with Tradefly, hanging out with Rocco, Sin City Crypto. Incredible. It was nice to meet everybody. There's a different vibe in person. You know, anybody can be an internet bully and hide here and be like, Alex, you're a short midget. You can't trade, right? Anybody could do that. What's going on, Eternal Night? Good to see you. Curtis Hill, Jay Violet, Darren Does Things, Ando Pancho. Good morning. Blue Collar Trades. What's going on? We got a little stiletto pattern in here trying to push. Okay. Like I said, I want a little bit lower. Looking at this 1037 SFP previous day. We'll see. This is just bleeding out. There's no reason to long this just yet. Okay, I want to long it just as bad as you guys. Put a 1 in the chat if you're looking to long this thing. We got 320 people in here, 85 likes. I'd really appreciate if we could get the likes up today, coming back. Just trying to smack up those like buttons. Subscribe if you are new. We are absolutely close to, we're almost at 14,000. I think we're like 30 off or something like that. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, we are 20 subscribers away from 14,000. If we hit 14K, we'll do a giveaway. Of course we will. And maybe we stay a little bit later today. Okay? Maybe we stay a little bit later. Also look good. That's a joke, right? Paper Planes, what's going on? Lunar, Beaches, Crypto, LBC, meeting LBC. He is taller than me. Only by a bit, but he is taller than me. Greek Fata, good morning to you. Crypto Rob, Quick Smoker. 4-hour trigger wave down. Yeah, that's the one. We saw that this morning on the morning update. Unholy Audio, good morning. Giovanni. The Pump. Kyle's lives were Zoom were the best way to meet everyone. Maybe now we get the taste of what we can bring back to the family open stage. Hey, you guys are always welcome to come and chat. The chat is open on the family stage. We will be doing a live stream today. Check Infinite Team's comment. Where are we going here? I'll donate 50 Canadian if you give away a month of Otter Gang. Appreciate you, bro. We'll do a giveaway today anyway, so you can keep your money. You're just too kind, man. You're too kind. I appreciate it. You can keep your money, and we'll do it anyways, man. We'll do it anyways. Okay, nice bullish in golfing here. This is not a trade I'm looking to take here. Let's do some top down. Vegas was good, man. Vegas was very fun. Okay? Alex, you're a short midget who can't trade. Thank you, Rickard. Let's go, man. Dick here, Richard, said I'm a short midget that can't trade. I appreciate you, bro. Coming from a dick. It's good fun. I love a good troll, man. I was talking about that too. You got to embrace the trollage. Okay, let's do a little top down here for everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. So what do we have? Really, Bitcoin's not looking too great, right? We know that we have the SFP of the high, and we warned everybody that we talked about sweeping the high too fast could be very bearish, okay? Now we have some correction. We are looking for ABC in here, whether it comes up right now or whether we go lower, right? But we are looking for ABC, and we don't know how low C is going to go, okay? If you watched my update video yesterday, this is the hard part. Okay, the hard part, baby. So we got to be very aware of that. Now, the daily does have a beautiful trigger wave trying to push to the upside. However, we do not have any curvature suggesting we're going to come up just yet. So this could take a couple of days. Hopefully Monday's false move, and then we get that push back in. Now, triple top, bearish divergence, all that good stuff's in here. We go to the 12-hour. 12 hours trying to push, but we do have VWAP crossover to the downside, suggesting that we could come a little bit lower with a red dot. Bearish engulfing almost. Okay, trying to. Damn, are we going to get pumped from here? This is crazy. This is crazy. What do we got here? Okay, nothing too extreme yet. So trying to push back up in here. The 8-hour money flow is something I like to watch a lot, and the 8-hour money flow is making a lower high here, and we have negative posturing here on our VWAP and our stochastics, and we're starting to pivot to the downside here. Now, what we are looking for is that trigger wave. That would be ideal. Are we going to get it? We'll see. We'll see. Okay. And the old dreaded 4-hour trigger wave to the downside. Okay, this is the scary part here. However, we do have a flip on stochastics suggesting we could be pushing back, and we have money flow coming back up. So this is where we look for the anchor, trigger wave, continuation trade, right? If we can get this in here coming into tomorrow or even today, where you get a nice little trigger wave in here and money flow coming back in, there is a bit of hopium to have, okay? There is. However, when we look at this, what have we done? Okay, so we've broken out, we've retested our point of control in here. Very simply, that's why we were looking for longs down here at 104 yesterday, and then shorts up here at 105. Okay, we had all these key areas ready for us to go. It's just for you to execute, okay, which isn't always easy. We have our golden pocket up in here. We had a beautiful order block back in here that we had marked down. We were looking for some resistance to come in, and we got it. So the shorts were firing off last night in the Discord, and the longs from 104 as well, given in advance, which is always kind of cool. Now, the 4-hour trigger wave is being met by this 1-hour hopium kind of uptrend. Okay, so we have this like hopium uptrend here, money flow crossover, trying to push back. Okay, so could possibly come back up today. Looks like we're getting a little pushback right now, but any sort of retracement is to be looked at for shorts. Why shorts, right? Why are we looking for shorts? Because shorts, when we have a market structure like this, right, and we zoom out a bit, and we look at market structure, right? Trader Geo always says market structure, when in doubt, market structure out, right? So we have the key here is that we've mitigated this low. We have taken this low, right? And we have definitely closed below changing structure to the downside. So we should be looking for any sort of rejection to send us further down. What is this? Bear flag, right? So if we bounce from here, great. But we should be still looking for that short unless we get clear market structure change, right? If we push up and we change market structure, then we look for the higher low continuation trade. Okay? My drawing is off, man. I guess I haven't been scribbling as much lately. So I gotta work on this. However, very nasty 4-hour candle right here. Pushing price down, coming down aggressively. So cautious, right? Cautious. We do have some news today coming out. We have the manufacturing. We will stay late with you guys and look to see what happens here. We also have Jerome Powell speaking at 1 o'clock. So, I mean, they're just really trying to welcome me back with open arms, which I don't know if I'm excited about, to be honest. I don't know if I'm too excited about this whole welcome back to like 3 news events on your Monday. But we're here. We're ready. We're ready to press that trigger. We're ready to execute, make some money, and hang out with you guys, man. It's always an honor and a privilege. So right now, there's a bias to the downside with the 4-hour. We're looking for a little retracement from the 1-hour, which means we're looking for a retracement, and then a bias to the downside on the 4-hour. The daily, we're looking for this to push back, right? We have filled the CME gap here on CME. NASDAQ has pushed back, okay? NASDAQ has put in a high, a higher low, higher low, higher low. So we could be looking for some sort of pushback into the liquidity right here. Very possible. Okay, very, very possible. Bitcoin, lots of liquidity above us. Okay. VWAP's above us, overextended to the downside on our standard deviation bands. Okay, so anytime you're down into this zone in here, you're looking to return back up to at least standard deviation 1. Okay, you can see that here. Returns back, right? Returns back. We'll see how it behaves. Patience will prevail. Is anybody long in here? I said you could possibly get long. We were in a support level. You guys are probably all long. You're probably like, Alex, you're rusty, bro. Alex, you're rusty, man. How didn't you see the stiletto pattern SFP continuation trade, right? You guys all caught that. Good to see you, Gains for Life. My man, how's it going? Much love to you. Red Man in the chat. What's going on, bro? Nice meeting you as well, man. Mikey Goby, what's going on? Curtis Hill, the chef. Look at the wick on ETH. Uh-oh, Lorelei. Are you sure? I'm not sure if I like looking at wicks. Oh, man. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? We're okay here. We're okay here. A little pushback on ETH. Higher high on ETH. This is just another lower high coming in right now. So I'd say we'd have to take here 1044. 1044, waving the fofo. Long since 111. Dusty. And we're back, baby. And we're back. William Lakes Long, what's going on? What? Let's go. Crypto Ace, what's going on, man? Oh, man. 104, por favor. I guess we're going to do a UK meetup. Hey, Darren Does Things. Sniper and Darren Does Things. We're going to meet up in July, right? I'm going to England. I'm going to the motherland in July. So I guess we're going to have to do a meetup as well. What's going on, Attila? What's going on, man? It's the BTC show now, friends. Yeah, let's go. Jonathan Schaefer in the chat. Let's see some knots in the chat. Vincenzo La Spessa. Good morning. Buongiorno. What's going on? Good morning, Lurkin. Keen Bean. Let's go, baby. Lorelei. Let's go. How's everybody doing this morning? Dave Digital in the chat. My God. Dave Digital. I don't know how Billy got you into that suit, but you're beautiful, man. We're always going to make it an annual anal trip. We're going to make it an anal trip there, Dave Digital. Hopefully. Give me Chads. Giannis, what's going on? BC Port Corp. So good to meet you as well. My brother. God bless you, man. God bless you. Good to meet you. JB as well. DDT. Sailor Bot. Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go. Welcome back to the trenches. Oh, man. Bitcoin hash rate just hit all-time highs. Jeez. Louise. Metaplanet bought more Bitcoin. Does it ever end, man? It doesn't ever end. Nice push here. We'll see if we do break this momentum structure in here. We could possibly be looking for a long in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smacking up that like button. We got 391 people here on the live. Getting back on the grind with you guys. Trading live every Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel, hanging out here. This is the last day for the sale. I am back now, so the sale is on for the Discord. If you do want to come over and hang out, this is the last day. No sale for quite a while, so it's your last day to kind of lock that in. If you do want to join the Discord, I mean, Discord's fire, man. I don't got to sell it. The people will sell the Discord. The family, man. The best thing I said the best thing is I really missed everybody saying good morning, man. You guys are incredible. Look at all the good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I love you guys, man. Look at all the good mornings. Look at this. You can't beat this, man. We just out here winning with people, with kindness. Incredible, man. Incredible. Very grateful. Very, very grateful. So manufacturing coming out. We got double bottom in here trying to push up. Doji and golfing. Could have taken the long there. I'd be so forced. Kind of forced this morning. Got money flow coming back in. Resistance at these lows right now. No patience. No patience will prevail. So everybody, you guys were down last week, eh? My God, 50 gifted memberships. Infinite Team TA. Let's go, baby, 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 man. Infinite Team TA with the 50 gifted memberships welcoming me back. God bless you, man. I guess I'm going to have to make an Infinite Team TA emoji. I think there's room. You got to send me a message, bro. I'll get your crazy beard emoji. We'll just make it a beard. Oh, man. God bless you, bro. Nice push here. Papa Coin, God bless you too, man. Thank you for being here. Bauki, Lurker. Benjamin Arnold, Lurker. South Warrior, Lurker. Ash, Lurker. Jesse, good luck, Lurker. I'm kidding, Jesse. Come on, man. Jesse, you Lurker or what, bro? Look at that. Last chance. Summer sale, baby. Come over to the Discord. Dave Digital, my brother. Now we can use the double Ds. Nice break out of here. Bitcoin pushing, baby. Bitcoin pushing back in. NASDAQ pushing back up. Okay, let's go over the 5 here. Nice push from NASDAQ. Nice push from Biddy. Okay. Little patience here. Frank Fit for Life Crypto. Let's go, baby. Harp, what's going on, man? Good morning to both of you. Dusty, good morning to you, man. James Simpson, good morning. Gains for Life, good morning. Mikey Goby, good morning. That's like 6 people who always are here. Mickey, good morning. Jonathan Schaefer, my man. Let's go. Let's go. The mod of the mods. Thank you, Jonathan Schaefer, for always being part of the gang. Mr. Pixel. What's going on, man? Look at all these people. They're all here all the time. Daily Profits. Good morning to you. Good morning to you, Adam D. Man, these guys are all good morningers. Al Jr., what's going on, bro? Good to see you. Lee, I'm sure there's a couple Lees in here. Good morning to you. Let's go, let's go. Jonder Van Deventer. Good morning to you, man. Nice push here for Biddy. I like this. I'm just going to wait a little bit here. We'll see if we can mitigate this high in here. Nice pushback here for Bitcoin. Into our buy level. Didn't come down as low as I wanted it to. We'll see what we get here. A little patience will prevail. Nice push for Bitcoin coming back in. Coming to our little resistance first and foremost. We'll see if we get a rejection here. Maybe come back for a lower high. Or higher low, sorry. And continuation out. We'll see what we get here. Lurkers. Eric Sylvan Lurker. Mr. Zed. Good morning. Sidhu. Good morning. JB. Good morning. Hulk Smash. Hanseku. Good morning. Play the Great. Good morning, man. Good to see you, bro. Dwight Simpson. Good morning to you. I think you're a lurker, but we'll say good morning to you. Crypto Billy, man. Crypto Billy. The man, the myth, the legend. God bless you, bro. What an honor and a privilege to meet you, man. So crazy, eh? What a crazy world. Skeets. Good morning. Hey, David Lurker. John, good morning. Albino Rhino, good morning. YMY Lurker. Soul Lurker. Wayne C. Hopefully you got that sandwich. Good morning, bro. Crypto Mike, good morning to you, bro. How you doing, man? Good to see you. Moho. Good morning. D-Bass. Or Sebastian. It's probably Sebastian, isn't it? Good morning, Tim Young. Good morning to you, man. All these people. Man. Harp, what's going on? Good morning to you. Tano, Lurker. Weldy, Lurker. Zen, Regen. Good morning. Notable Zero, Lurker. Dan Bartley, good morning to you, man. Vikrant, Kale. Kale's disgusting, man, but hopefully that's like not the food. Kale, the name's okay, but the food is kind of gross. You told me not to super chat 50. I did, man. Just keep your money, bro. We're going to do a giveaway. We're going to give away a membership. My God. G, good morning. Vikrant, good morning. Reggie, good morning. Reggie Classic, baby. My God. I can't get through all of this. Okay, rejection from our resistance here. Coming back down. Looking for a continuation trade here. Looking to fire off a long possibly here. This move happened pretty quick, guys. Pretty quick. No trade for now. Just waiting. Still waiting. I mean, you could have taken this off the break here, but it's a little bit. NASDAQ topping out here. Bear div. See if it wants to continue to push. 8:46, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smacking up that like button. Subscribe if you are new. We're almost at 14,000 subscribers. What are we at right now? 13,984. 16 more subscribers, and we're hitting 14,000. We're going to do a giveaway for a membership for the Discord. Matthew, Lurker, Honda Man. Good morning. I missed you too, brother. Thank you for being here. I don't mind if you call me Small Guy Infinite. I don't mind if you call me Small Guy. Just here. Discord is on fire. Absolutely. Absolutely. Even when I wasn't there, I was watching. I'm always watching. I'm a lurker in the Discord. I'm definitely a lurker. Oh, man. Good morning, everybody. Being smashed this year, Alex's energy gives me motivation to continue. Thank you for being here, Turtle Mug. That's what it's all about, man. We show up. We show our losses. We show our wins. We continue to try and compound. It's not an easy game, man. That's why most people quit. Most people quit. Once you start applying some risk management and some strategy and some back testing, that's when it changes. That's when it changes. Okay? Not an easy venture trading. Andrew, what's going on, man? Poncho, good night. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. It's not an easy venture. However, hopefully we can help you navigate it because it's we've been doing it. We've been doing it. This is what I do every single day to make my money, so I can hopefully guide you on really how I do it, how I manage it, what I see. Some people said, like, to me even, it's just nice to have like confirmation trading with me, which is nice to hear as well. Confirmation or just some sort of like relax. I don't know if I'm relaxed. I don't think I'm really relaxing. I think I'm more like in your face, but some really kind words coming out of people, you know, being able to work with a lot of you and trying to help you guys navigate this difficult trading life, you know. Incredible. Good morning from Texas. Three deductibles. Let's go. A&P, good morning. Good to see you. Here's a little hopium, right? A little hopium push in here, only to be met by a rejection. I mean, kind of drew it there. That was like the easiest resistance you could have possibly asked for. Order block in here. Momentum has changed, but wick test on NASDAQ. Ethereum, nice push. Ethereum making a higher high. It's a good sign. Not something I'm looking to trade just yet. The nasty candles on the 1 hour here. Not looking too bullish in my opinion. Donato Cabrera gains for life. So what is this community thing? You get ranked on how much you chat or something? Jesse on fire today. Quick Smoker. Jeffrey Stone Cipher, my man. Incredible. Thank you for the 1 membership. I'm going to try your name. I ain't here to offend you, but this looks like a challenge. Jen Idges. Javenges. Javen Nidges. Suma Coves. Javenges Suma Coves. And I'm back. Thank you for the gifted membership, man. And Phoenix, good morning to you, man. Oh, man. That was butchered. I apologize, bro. Oh, man. I missed hanging out a couple hours a week. Thanks, Define. I'm glad you're here, man. I'm glad you're here, bro. I like hanging out with all you guys, too. So day 1, Vegas. What did we do? Day 1, Vegas. I got to Vegas, and I slept and hung out, just did some exploration. Went to the Bellagio, okay? Went to the Bellagio, all fancy. I didn't stay at the Bellagio, stayed at the Vdara, it's called. It's connected to the Bellagio. You got to say it like that. And then day 1, Monday, I went, what did I do? I went over with my family to a town outside of Vegas, and then we took a helicopter ride. And we took the helicopter all the way, get to the Joppa. Took the helicopter all the way to the Grand Canyon. Okay, over the Hoover Dam. I got some pictures for you guys. I got to share some pictures, right? With my family. Over the Hoover Dam. There we are. Hanging out here. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see my beautiful family. All right. There's day 1. Then we had a picnic in the Grand Canyon, which was pretty cool. There's me and my wife with the helicopter. Pretty cool. Okay. I know I'm punching, right? My wife's gorgeous. Keep your comments to your damn selves, okay? Keep your comments to your damn selves. Then we went to the Bitcoin conference. Oh, no. Then I went to Sin City Crypto. Went and hung out with David and Rob. Said hello to them. Touched base. I went and saw them a couple of times. I just wanted to go over and say hi to them. That was really nice. Then I had dinner with the gang. So we got the gang here. We got all the beautiful people. We got TradeFly. We got FD White. We got Lunar Beaches Crypto. We got Buck. And we got Brewberry, man. Look at that. We got the whole gang here. Everybody had a pizza. I had a chicken parm. Okay. Look at that. The whole shaboozle in here. All having lunch. Pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. Breakout retest happening right now. I'm not interested in this just yet. Not for me. Not for me. No trade yet. Then what do we have? We had wife went to the pool. I went golfing with TradeFly. Let me see if the audio works here. On the road again. Let's go, baby. I'm golfing with Tradefly. And let's go, baby. He whooped my ass. I'm kidding. He didn't whoop my ass. But we were having fun. And let's go, baby. I've never putted so well in my life. I had a really good golf game. And that was good fun. Did the Bellagio. There's the Bellagio fountain. Just a bunch of fountains. NSYNC. Not the band, but NSYNC, you know. That was really cool. In the Bellagio, they also had all this like cool decoration of like flamingos and stuff like that. That was pretty cool. If you're into flamingos, whatever you're into, man. Did the conference. Yeah, a bunch of stuff, man. It was really good. Really good. Had lots of fun, man. Lots of fun. Met up with Billy. There's tons of pictures around. Good time. Good time. I know we're here to trade, so I don't want to go into too much detail. If you want anything more, you can come over and say hello in the Discord. Why isn't that popping up here? There we go. Beautiful. What's going on, Jeanette? Good morning to you. Tradefly did give me about 5 strokes. Yeah. He gave me a couple of mulligans. I mean, it was a gentleman's game, right? We didn't play like. I shot an 81, but obviously there was some holes where we did take extra shots, like mulligans and stuff like that, where it's like, man, that's a do-over. I mean, we weren't playing serious golf. But to be honest, I did hit like 5 putts from 20 feet out. I've never putted so well in my life. I was on fire. Tradefly outdrove me once. I'll give him kudos for that. I think he hit the cart path, but we won't talk about that. I tried to give you a stroke too, but it wasn't fast enough. At the end of the day, we got out. We went golfing. It was lots of fun. I played really well. Tradefly played really well. I couldn't reach the pedals, so Tradefly had to drive. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. I like this, but I don't like this, guys. Right here, we're fighting it a bit here. We're fighting it. Our 15 say. Our 15 green dot confirmed. Money flow's coming out, though. Pretty aggressive. Breakout retest. Still don't like this. I think this momentum line can get us in trouble here. Okay. View up above us. When bottoming structure happens like this, when we're looking for that higher low. This is like warning sign. We had this over here. Look. Okay. We're looking for this. Don't really care about. I mean, it'd be nice to take that trade up. It's a lot more risky. This is more easy. Especially when it's doing this kind of price action. But a nice pushback nonetheless. 15-minute looks okay. 24 green dot view up crossover, trying to push. Obviously liquidity up in here at the 104. Fair value gap. Pardon me. 1 hour trigger trying to push back, right? So we'll see what we get here. No trade just yet. NASDAQ struggling a bit. Bearish divergence in here. Remember, bearish divergence typically comes back to where it started. So be aware of that here. Nice higher lows, though. Nice continuation here. Nice momentum to the upside here on our NASDAQ, okay? Could mean continuation for Bitcoin. Just very slow right now. Decreasing volume after that push up here. We are in a downtrend, so we are looking for shorts favorably. But we do want to be level-headed in here. If we wouldn't mind smashing up those like buttons, I would really appreciate it. We need how many more subscribers do we need now? We need 15 more subscribers to do the giveaway. I think we hit it today. I hope so. I got a frog in my throat already, man. Welcome back. Good morning, Harp. Golfing Beast. Yeah, that's the one, man. You're different even when it comes to eating. I guess so. Brew looks young. Brew is beautiful, man. Brew is such a good human. He drove down just to say hello. I was hoping Miss Otter was like 5'9". I mean, she's like 5'6". I'm 5'4". So you notice in every picture she does like this little curtsy where she makes me look at least the same height as her. She's a sweetheart. Good morning, Jeanette. Good to see you. Buck. Lewis, good morning. Thanks, man. Yeah, it was a good trip. I was waiting last night on Billy's channel. Be the ball. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, Happy Gilmore life, man. Nice push here. You guys all long or what? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Would love to know. I got up almost $300 off $5 on slots. Didn't take profit, so I lost 80. I played roulette, and I put all these. I put $150 on the table, and I lost it in one roll. That's how much I gamble. I put it all on, and they took it. That's why I trade, because I prefer probabilities. Nice push here. Coming into a resistance again. So yeah, I gambled. You gotta go to Vegas and at least play a game. So I played the roulette table. And I put $150 on a whole bunch of, and I lost. And that was my I last longer in the bed than I do gambling. Let's put it that way. and believe me, I don't two pump chump, okay? Gotta have a good laugh, man. A bunch of you guys are long. Let's see. Yeah, I saw Lifer as well. I saw him at Sin City. I saw him a couple times. Yeah, touch base, man. Yeah, my gambling days are over, guys. Turned into 10-second Jimmy. Yeah. My poor wife, man. My poor wife. She's a lovely lady, superstar. God bless her, man. She put up with me that whole trip, which is pretty incredible. Okay, Nasdaq getting a little rejection here as expected. Bitcoin trying to push, not going. No push here. Getting a little overextended here on our market cipher here. Nice engulfing candle on our 24. Our 12-minute. 12-minute looks okay. Just I don't think it's ready yet, guys. I think we could get one more sweep into this previous day. Would this be our previous day low? Yeah, our previous day low. I'd like to see this. This is where I would be hunting. Okay? Big old rejection. Getting everybody a little bit happy into an order block here. So into a level of resistance. Okay? Yeah. Soft order block here. Yeah, patience. We wait. No reason to rush this. Coming into today, we have multiple news events. We got Chair Powell speaking at 1, and then we have Something at 10 a.m. ISM or something like that. ISM, yeah. Manufacturing, baby. Manufacturing. We also had a little list here. You may want to like screenshot this and keep this. I put in the announcements here. Brian Jung. Maybe you want to screenshot that. That's like all the important dates. Vanna White. Ding, 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 ding. That's all the important dates coming up for, macro events. Maybe you want to screenshot that. That's it's in our Discord. I posted it for everybody as per usual. Stalling out here, no move yet. Double top, trying to push down now. Possible short opportunity here. It'd be quite tight though, quite tight. We wait. I'm still waiting, man. Trading is waiting. I mean, I got the rust off yesterday on some trades. $300, but I just don't want to force it. Don't want to force it today, baby. I want to be disciplined. Coming back, starting a new month. It's always important to start off on the right foot or the left foot, whichever one you're into. What's up with James Wynn? He got wrecked, man. Fear and Greed back to neutral. I haven't checked that in a while. I think we can check that in the Discord here. What does it say here? Populate, baby. Fear and Greed. 64. Last day for the sale. I'm ending the sale today in the Discord. If you do want to come over and join us, I mean, there's the SFP we were looking for yesterday. SFP up at the highs here. Laid out nicely. Updates, TA, trade setups. My God, you guys are spoiled. Brewberry doing a lot of TA yesterday, man. You guys are on fire. CVO, looking for that ETH pivot. HRJ, beautiful signals. Tradefly. My God. The best, most affordable Discord in all of crypto, man. That's all I got to say about that. Take care, Jonathan Schaefer, man. God bless, bro. Let's go. Jimbo's in the chat, my man. Jimbo with the Lambo. Good to meet you, Jimbo. God bless you, bro. Thank you for dinner. Jimbo took me for dinner. He bought me a steak. I wanted to pay, but he wouldn't let me pay. He said, sometimes in order to make money, you gotta spend money. That's the Jimbo quote that stuck with me. All right. Oh man, my man. God bless you, Jimbo. Jimbo had a son with him, Mr. Taco Berry, baby. Yeah, great time with you guys, man. You guys are top-notch people. Thank you for treating me and being good people, man. Not being weird. Well, weird enough. Like, you got to be a bit weird, but not weird enough. Jimbo had the Lambo. He rented the Lambo, man. If you're wondering why every influencer at the Bitcoin conference got a picture with a green Lambo, it was Jimmy's. Just so you know, I didn't take a picture with the Lambo, man. Maybe I should have, but I'm gonna take a picture with a beat down Ford Pinto or something. That would be my otter gang Ford Pinto. I don't even know if people know what a Ford Pinto is, man. That was like my mom's first car. Have you ever heard Adam Sandler Piece of Shit Car song? Go and listen to Adam Sandler piece of shit car. It's actually a really funny song. It's like and that's exactly what a Ford Pinto is. My mom used to have one of these. Caca Brown. It was Caca Brown. It looked like this. Yeah, there it is. Oh my God. What? There's my mom. Jimmy would know what a Ford Pinto is, man. I had a Pinto. It was purple. Yeah, there we go, man. Piece of shit car. I got a piece of shit car. My car's a big piece of shit. It never gets me very far. And I just got demonetized. Thanks, Jimmy. Dave Digital Weird. That's the one, man. Oh, man. Let's go, baby. My first car was a 1996 Toyota Corolla. It had 380,000 kilometers on it. And I blew the clutch in like 4 and 6 months. And the clutch cost more than the car. So I ended up getting a 2000 Corolla. Great first car, man. Always standard. Always drove standard my whole life. But let me know in the chat, what was your first car? Mine was a 97 Corolla. 97 black Corolla. That's my first car, man. You'll never forget your first car. I sold my bicycle for this car. I used to have a nice downhill bicycle. There it is, baby. A to B, baby. Can't beat it. Look at that one. It's slammed. That was me showing up at high school, baby. Nice bounce here, golden pocket. 786, 618 probably. Yeah, 618 bounce here. Very slow this morning, guys. No trade just yet. The higher low, possible continuation trade here. Still waiting. '79 Canary Yellow, ugliest car I've ever had in my life. But I was 16. That's it. Same story. Blue clutch on 96 Corolla. No way, man. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. 87 Toyota Poo truck. Let's go. Mazda RX. An RX-7? No way, bro. You started with an RX-7? That's sick, man. Chevy Vega for $500. Piece of shit car. A Pontiac Phoenix, man. Bring it back. Camaro. Nice. Ford Sierra. Big old truck, eh? You just passed 2 months ago. Congratulations. You got a BMW 100 series. 73 Firebird. Ford Thunderbird. Let's go. Let's go. 95 Civic. Let's go, Jeanette. We knew we were going to get a Civic in here. Oh, yeah. The 95 Elantra. Oh, man. What an ugly car. That was a 95. Hyundai used to make some ugly cars. Some ugly cars. The bubbly cars. 83 Corolla. With one side view mirror. Caprice Classic. Vauxhall. An Astra, yeah? That's you must be in the UK or something. See, I know Vauxhall, I know Hilux, I know a whole bunch of the because I lived in England and Australia. '83 Corolla. I stalled out at every light. Yeah, I bet. Good morning, everybody. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for being here. Chevy 4x4. Gotta love it. Yeah. Buick Skylark, man. That Slam Banjo. Is that thing's a boat, no? Mazda 626. Nice. Civic Type R. Let's go. Mercedes 190D. Oh, man. You guys had some. Oh, a 74 Monte Carlo? What? Donato Cabrera. Let's go, man. A Fiat Punto. Oh, my God. Giovanni. Madonna. Let's go. Nissan Patrol. Okay. The Sentra. 86 two-door. Let's go, baby. That's a tuner now, baby. John Foster Crypto with the 5 gifted memberships, baby. Let's go. Thank you so much. God bless you, John Foster Crypto. Ace of Hearts, Lurker. Al Hussein, Al Ajami, Lurker. Tony C, Lurker. Marcus, Lurker. Dev, Lurker. Let's see some lurkers in the chat for the lurkers here. Thank you for the 5, John Foster, my man. Toyota Land Cruiser. Oh my God, that's an expensive car, depending on what year. Plymouth Variant, 1965. Let's go. Welcome, 68-year-old Bitcoin dreamer. We're happy you're here, man. Hopefully we can help you with some trades. 9:15, everybody. Let's buckle up. This looks like we're getting a little push here. The hourly candle has printed, so taking a look here. VWAP starting to push up, coming back out of that oversold zone. Nice curvature in here. The 4-hour still coming out. Okay, still coming out. So not the greatest. The 30-minute here. Nice candle here. If we do close positively going into market open. Okay. Hammer, engulf, push. So we could be looking for a potential little push in here. We'll see if we do get it on our 30-minute here. 24 confirmed green dot. Okay, 12-minute. 12-minute has inward curvature. Okay, so this could be, remember we're looking for that SFP this morning. So we could be looking for that. We are downtrending here, so a little bit of patience here. Let's not get overly ambitious just yet. Okay, coming into Monday, market open. S&P, probably a gap down. What's the ES trading? Maybe flat, probably somewhere in here, I would guess. We'll see. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, smacking up that like button, subscribing if you're new. We're almost at 14,000 subscribers. If you guys wouldn't mind subscribing, we need 7 more, guys. 7 more subscribers. We're here live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Live trading every single day, showing you the trades, showing you the entries, showing you the P&L always. Thank you guys so much. We're going to do a 1-month giveaway today. Thank you, Infinite Team TA, for the gifted membership. She didn't have to do that, but I appreciate it, man. And today's the last day for the Discord membership sale. Okay, that ends today. 3rd generation Supra. Oh, man, that's sick, man. With the flip-up lights. I'm a big Supra lover. MK3. 2J. It's a 1JZ. Ford Fiesta. Nice. Lurker be lurking. I've had a couple of sweet cars, though. I had a Scion FRS. So the first GT86 Scion FRS, all blacked out, carbon fiber. You know, I did the tuner car. All blacked out. I had one of these. I got pictures of me with it somewhere. I had a Scion FRS, all blacked out. That was a pretty sweet car. Fun to drive, boxer engine. I also had an Impala, a Chevy Impala. That was pretty sweet. Straight pipe Chevy Impala, man. Yo, Dingbat, what's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. Jaguar X Type. Jeez, just a sub, man. You be flossing, bro. You be flossing, bro. That's awesome. '81 Nova might as well have been a Corolla, yeah. Coming into market open here. We got 10 minutes left, guys. We do have news at 10 a.m. Little rollover here on Bitcoin. No trade yet. We are looking lower. We're looking here all morning. Haven't got it. We haven't got it yet. A little push up. Give everybody a little bit of hopium, and now getting a bit of a rollover. A little bit of patience here will be needed coming into market open. It's pretty cool coming back, and you guys helping me hit 14,000 subscribers. Shows you, man. Shows you. You take a week off, you don't have to worry. The gang is still here. It's not like you guys have gone anywhere. We got 400 people here, 190 likes. If we could, we always try to get to 250. 250 would be ideal for the likes to watchers. I don't got a tinkle, but I'm gonna go and top up my coffee because we're gonna stay a little bit late today for the news and hang out with you guys. So I'm gonna check on the music and I'll be right back.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
All right.
Alexo, crypto.
That tune, man.
Alexo,
that tune's
crypto.
gravy. That tune is gravy. Rolling over here. Okay. Rolling over to market open. Money flow creeping up here. All right, we're going to end that poll. News is on 10 a.m. It's on ISM manufacturing. So manufacturing, we'll see if it goes up or down. What I'm looking for, Alexo helping me sit on hands. Yeah, that sometimes that's the best thing you can get out of me is I think I do patience pretty well for the most part. This is a good retest coming in here. Like I said, I'd like to see that SFP and go. SFP and go. Back up to VWAP. That would be ideal for today. We'll see if we get it. Yeah. Could have taken that retest short in here, right? Not for me, though. Not coming into market open like we are right now. Dang, you go for a coffee, you lose like 100 people on the live stream. It's kind of crazy. People have the attention span of parrots these days, or goldfish. I'm from Australia. Thank you for being here. 400 watching, not even 200. So do it. Do it. Like it. Subscribe it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you guys for smacking up that. Marcus Cipher or Chart Prime or both. I use both, man. I got Chart Prime on here. I got Marcus Cipher on here. I go both ways. We go both ways, man. Whatever helps you make money. You had a race car. Yeah, it was all right. Impala was 84, I think. Straight piped. I had like that the old school boxy, the boxy baby. I think it was the boxy. I think it was an 84 or an 87. It was an 87. The boxy. I like those 80 cars, like the 5-liter Mustang, 87 5-liter Mustang. That's some sweet cars back in the late 80s. Then they got all rounded and ugly. I mean, who doesn't want a 66 Chevy Impala SS, right? Who doesn't want that? It's one of the sexiest cars around. 66? Yeah. Yeah, that thing's that. Jeez. All right, SFP in here coming into market open. We got 4 minutes, everybody. Attention span of a stoned goldfish, man. That's all right. '68 Mustang Cobra. I'm not a Mustang fan, really. It's like, it's just too like over I don't know. It's like generic, man. It's like generic. Not mean? Does that make sense? Sarah, good morning. Hi from Australia. Good bro, Curtis Neal. And Evo, my friend used to have my mom used to have a not an Evo, but what's the one just below it? It's the off-road one. Anyways, Evos died when they the Lancer, yeah. Good morning, miss. You're going to Walmart. You okay? Yeah? Can I have a hug? A wife. My wife is going to Wally Mart. She's a grocery shop. I got this from the Bitcoin conference. Can you guys see that? It's a plush toy. Ooh. Lancer, yeah. My friend had a Lancer as well. What's your dream car you're gonna buy, Otter? Well, I got a couple. I almost bought one of them. Like 3 years ago. My friend had one. It was it's old school, Caca Brown. The 1984 Caca Brown El Camino, baby. I love it. I love this car, man. Because I'm a carpenter, I've always wanted an El Camino for like my work truck. I almost bought one. My friend has one. He was selling. But I just like to black it out, like all blacked out El Camino, like this with the truck back. You know, show up to the job site with my tools in the back and my big old Caca Brown El Camino little boat. Boom, 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 boom. Do one of these up, man. That would be sweet, man. Sweet as. Sweet as. I'd love to do one of those up. I almost bought it. His was, the body was too bad. Like it was all rusted. My cousin's a mechanic, so but that would be one of them. Supercar, I'm Italian, man. We're gonna go with the Ferrari F8. The F8's pretty sweet. I like the F8. Yeah, something like this. This would be sweet to have. Market is open, everybody. Getting a bounce here. SPY gapping down. SPY gapping down. NASDAQ flying. All right, low push here. I'd be considering a long here coming into market open. Sorry, guys, a little delayed here. That's the one, man. All like clean and chrome. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Ding, ding, ding. Market is open. We hit 14,000 subscribers. Thank you, everybody, for being here. It must have been the El Camino. I like a 67 SS Chevelle muscle car. Or Bitcoin pushing here. Nice push here. Or blow in. Don't get faked out here, guys. Remember, we do want lower. Let's not get faked out here. NASDAQ flying. This is bullish. Bullish bias right now. So we're looking for a long potentially. Any news for that push on the NASDAQ? Or is it just doing it? Still waiting here. Nice mitigation of the high now. We can look for a higher low continuation trade. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Coming into market open. Let's not get faked out, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Alexandra G. Thank you so much, Alexandra G. $20 super chat. Alexandra G. God bless you. Let's see some Alexandra G's in the chat. If you got the emoji, share the emoji. Good old sweep of the highs right now. No trade. Still waiting here, everyone. NASDAQ continuing to push here. Breakout, retest, continuation trade here for Bitcoin possibility. Looking for a potential long here. Breakout, retest, continuation. No trade yet. Still waiting. Double bottom. Not really a sweep of the lows, but continuation here nonetheless. Come back for this liquidity up in this joint here. Don't want to rush this, guys. Patience here. NASDAQ continuing to rip. Something's going on here. Any news data? Anybody aware of any news data? NASDAQ's flying. NASDAQ's flying. Bitcoin trying to go. It's looking good for Bitcoin so far. Nice push out of here. We got our orb low for the market open here. Thank you, everybody, for subscribing to the channel. We just hit 14,000. We're going to do a giveaway today. 1 month membership to the Discord. Remember, false move Mondays, guys, so be prepared. SPY gapping up now recovering down. Gapping up. Retracement, Bitcoin, rotation. Nice bottoming structure in here, everybody. 9:36, everybody. Remember, we got news data at 10. I don't see any news. Thank you so much for the 20, Alexandra G. NVIDIA pumped like hell. Okay. 14K. Nice job, man. You have more than earned it. Happy to see you growing. Alex O Crypto. Infinite Team TA, man. God bless you, bro. Thank you so much for supporting the channel and always being here, man. Guys, if you're not following Infinite Team TA, man, let's pump his numbers. Let's go, baby. 113 subscribers. Pump those numbers, man. Let's see it. Get over there and subscribe to Infinite Team TA, man. Here's the link. Go and subscribe to Infinite Team TA. The best beard in all of crypto. You think mine's good? Go and look at his beard. Still waiting here. Little stall out here. NASDAQ continues to fire, man. Continues to fire here. Let me zoom out a bit. Okay. Big push for Bitcoin. Big push. Coming into 940. Getting a mitigation of the high right now. This is a good push for Bitcoin right now. This would be a nice higher high. Then we can definitely be looking for the retest continuation trade. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. Thanks, Steve. Luke Zaldana, good morning to you. Wayne C. Damn, Bitcoin ripping. J. Robs, good morning. East popped as well. Nice. That's good news all around. Low rotation. Bitcoin dominance is dropping slightly right now. Little patience here. Nice push so far, coming up into breaking this high here, so that's a good sign. Don't want to be buying the top, everybody. We don't buy green candles here. We got 425 people in here, 224 likes. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. We're here trading Bitcoin live every single day. No trade right now, just waiting. We're just waiting here. Trading a 100K account every single day, risking 300 to make 900 generally. Risking 1%, less than 1% per trade. Trying to help you guys navigate this, taking trades live. The best Discord in all of crypto. Last day for the sale. I'm back now. You guys ain't getting no cheap Discord anymore. Coming back down here for a retest. Looking for a potential slap back down into 104.2. 104.2. Yeah. 104.2 seems nice to me. Don't want to get caught with that false move, though, guys. A little bit overextended here. 12-minute money flow pushing up. A little bit of hopium here. Looking for a continuation trade possible. No trade yet. Still waiting. I'm not sure if I like this V-shaped recovery to the downside right now. Big engulfing candle. The big engulfing candle coming into market open here. Retested the previous highs. This is where I typically take a long here, but for me, I don't like it right now. I don't like this price action. A little bit of a... This seems like a fake out to me, guys. This seems like a fake out. Still waiting here. Yeah, it's a fake out. It's coming lower. We'd be red right now. We'd be very red right now. Good patience, everybody. Good patience. Still waiting. This is more ideal. Now we have good risk management. I'm going to take a stab here. I'm long. See if we can push up to VWAP here. Come on, Bitcoin, push it, baby. Push it, baby. Come on. Come on now, Bitcoin. Look for a continuation trade here. NASDAQ pushing nice. Coming a little bit lower than the highs. Okay. It's easy risk management here. See if we can push back up. Trying to push here. Come on, Biddy. A little bit earlier than a quarter after, but quarter after market open, I mean. Let's see if we do want to continue up here. A little bit of trouble here with our momentum wave, but nonetheless, everything else looks really good. Not just going to go solely based off of market cipher. Looks like we are pushing here a little bit. See if we can push up. First TP is going to be halfway up this candle here. Coming in right now. See if we can continue to push here. Come on, Bitcoin, push it, baby. A little bit more. Not going to be a dick for a tick. Going to take off some here if we do push. Yeah, there we go. Okay, a little bit realized here. Stop loss to entry. First trade of the week, guys. I'm going to guarantee that. Okay, I'm going to guarantee that. First trade of the week. We'll see if we do continue to push here. I don't want to start off on the wrong foot. Clearly, we are not. Clearly, we are not. We'll see if it does want to push here, but GG's a little starter pack here. A little starter pack. Getting back on the live trading wagon. It's always important for me to take a couple base hits, especially coming back after a week off trading live on Market Open. You know, when you're not watching it all the time, I think it's important to get some reps in, right? Something I always talk to the Discord about is getting some reps in. Making sure that we're always up, stopped out in profit. Okay. Just got stopped out there. Look, take another one. It's always important to get those reps in. Guarantee some profits. What's going on, Princess? Good to see you. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We're going to get our orb is in now. So let's mark out our orb, everybody. Open range breakout if you are new here. We like to trade a good orb every single day, baby. That's the one. We got our morning orb here. A little bit of this could have been a little liquidity grab, right? So that's something we should watch. We're in a downtrend, so liquidity grab and rollover. We did not get the low that we did want, okay? So a little bit of patience here. We got a little shoot up on the NASDAQ. Now we get a retracement, probably halfway down in this candle here, and then continuation up. We'll see if we do get that. Okay. So far, so good. Getting the feet wet, which is always good, guys. 420 people in here. God bless every single one of you guys. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. Subscribe if you are new. Perfect balloon dog pattern. Oh, we got the balloon dog here. Thank you, Piper, for giving me the balloon dog. But I wouldn't say this is a perfect balloon dog pattern. I would like to see the nose of the dog. So we got the balloon dog pattern is just a double bottom followed by a full pennant. Clearly a rollover here. Good close on that one. Okay, that's why we guaranteed some profits quickly there. Because this could be a fake out, like we said. A little bit of patience here. A quick little $50 win. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Who cares? It's getting the reps in, starting off the live streaming trading, which is always important. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. Crypto Princess, Alexandra G. Check your Discord message. Pretty busy right now, man. The short is the play. Yeah. SFP of the high in here. Right? SFP, rollover. Coming back down. Alex was beatboxing at the dinner table. Yeah, all over the food. We're waiting here. Big wave 3 inbound. Okay. Dumping. Dumps are good, man. Clear out some of the liquidity. Okay, losing bottom orb right now. Good morning, DSV. Good to see you. Django, good morning to you. Princess, good morning. Shark Vin, GG, everybody. Quick little win. Quick little win, man. That's it. Patience will prevail. Good morning, gang. Hope you're all good. Good morning, Pietro. Good morning to you. Thank you, everybody, for being here. All right, coming down to the bottom of the orb here. NASDAQ clearly retracing. We'll see if it does come back halfway down this candle. 21,300 looking there. Little rollover here. We do have nice money flow coming into the market. So a little bit of patience into market open here. A little fake out to the upside. Sweeping the high here. Okay, sweeping the liquidity at the high here because you know there's stops below this or above this, sorry. Trying to hold on to these lows. Not something I'm looking to trade. If you're looking for, that typical breakout, retest, continuation trade, we were aware of the fake out, so we took this wick up to here, got out. Well, we took profit, then got out. Little quick scalp this morning to start it off with a bang. A little bit of patience right now. Very choppy in here. Not easy trading. Not easy trading so far. Looking for the sweep of this previous day low right now. So if we get a previous day low sweep and a close back within orb for today, that's something that we could definitely look to take a trade on. We do have two key levels down below us here at 103.2 and at 103. All right, if we do get, the elevator down and then a little bouncy bounce, that would be ideal as well. Okay, this is just flagging, megaphone pattern, right? So we'll see how that plays. We said this level all morning. We'll see if we get it and a little bounce. That's kind of what I'm looking. As we lube the orb, as we lose the orb. Don't lube the orb. As you lose the orb, you can look for the retest continuation trade here, okay? You don't want to lube it too much, man, because it gets slippery, okay? Thank you, everybody, for being here. I missed y'all. I sent you a message. This chart, Alex, for BTC. You sent me a message. Where did you send me a message, my man? I don't see a message. Roll over here for Bitcoin. Coming down to that sweep. What happened in Vegas? Alex having flashbacks. Yeah, man. Total, lube is just everywhere, man. No. I mean, I stayed in a hotel that doesn't even have a casino. The Vidara it's right beside you got the Aria and the Bellagio. We stayed in a very fancy room, to be honest. Very fancy. I felt like way out of my comfort zone. I felt like I was like, they had like the robes on the doors and stuff like that. They carried my luggage up to my room. Like, okay, you don't mind? I could take that one. That's I was that awkward guy. Losing orb here, rolling over. Nice close down below the orb. This is an SFP in here, guys, so this could bounce. No trade just yet. We need to see confirmation of a bounce here, though. Big old rollover here. Little hopium here. Look at the NASDAQ. Absolutely rugging everybody. Getting everybody all hopeful, and then boom, baby. Boom, yep. The dollar is flagging out. S&P rolling over. NASDAQ rolling over. Not looking too good, guys. Not looking too good. Remember, downtrend, we should be favoring shorts, right? Losing the low right now. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got news in 8 minutes, everybody. 8 minutes for news. They're probably, closing out in profits or whatever you're doing with your trades. Make sure you guys are managing your risk, okay? Risk management is going to be key here. We'll see. Is chatting with a fake Alex O in the Discord. Yeah, I don't chat typically in the Discord unless it's in my Discord. I won't private message you unless it's a payment issue. Then we will I will let you know what I message you. It's typically something rude and weird so that you can know it's me. But I don't message anybody at all. So except for Alexandra G. She's cool. I don't know about the rest of y'all. Y'all degens. Rashad, good morning, bro. How you doing? Good to see you, man. Rashad is sponsored by our channel. We have sponsored him from our Discord. How's it going, Rashad? Good to see you, bro. Okay, retest of orb continuation down here. We got 6 minutes till news data. Boom, 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 boom. Good old fake out. Infinite Team TA is messaging me. He just messaged me now. Trying to get him a beard emoji right now. I don't know how much room I have on the emoji scales here. We got a lot of emojis, man. Look at this thing. It's dying, man. Bitcoin's rugging everybody. Everybody getting all excited. ETH retest to previous highs. This is a good sign for continuation, possibly on ETH. Bitcoin looks like shite. Shite is allowed in the Discord. We're gonna have some news soon, everybody. 5 minutes. Big old fake out. I think that's good. I like that I'm seeing the charts properly this morning. You know, we had the shoe pattern continuation, retest, double bottom, SFP, continuation, the fake out. Okay, we are able to see. I'm happy I'm still able to see the fake out. Okay, I got long here, but I called the fake out, took a little scalp, and I'm out. Okay, but being able to see the fake out and mitigate my risk and really take profits and run is kind of what we did, right? Take profits and run. Nice SFP here. Volume coming back in. Let's see if we close back in within the range. Could be bullish here. Coming into the news. No trade for me coming into the news, but I do like this SFP right now. You need to close back within the range, like we said. That's the previous day low. Tapped. I do like this for a trade here. Previous day low has been tapped. SFP, continuation trade possibly. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Decisions. Coming into news, no trade. No trade coming into news. I really like it, though. Oh. I like this. Typically, I would take this every time. Typically, I would take this trade every time. I'm not taking it because of news. I think it's a good idea. I think not taking this trade is a good idea. I might be wrong. Sometimes you got to hold your hands. You see what I'm doing here? This is a risk management position that they teach you in trading yoga. If you go to a trading yoga class, this is the #1 position here. Sometimes you do this on your bum, but I prefer to do it on your head. It's more relaxing, you know? This is more yoga nidra. This is very like sleep practice trading. This is called risk management. This is what that position is called, the risk management crane position. You guys should all practice this at home. This is called news is coming out and we wanted to take the trade and I'm not doing it. Oh man. The trader's pose, yeah. Pat your head and rub your tummy. I can do it, man. I can do it. I would take that trade every single day, but I'm not doing it. I'm not because I'm a pretty disciplined trader. Sometimes you get a little bit of the FOMO kicks in. We are human. 3 drives, baby. This is like, oh man, this is bread and butter right here. If we reclaim orb, we can get long. That will be my rule. News in 1 minute, everybody. We're gonna do a giveaway after the news, and it's the last day. I'm gonna end the sale for the Discord today in the PM. Okay, so you have all day to sign up. It's the last day for the sale on the Discord, and there won't be a sale for a while. I mean, our Discord's already really cheap, but $35, lock it in for life, good to go. That ends today. Okay, we've had it on for 2 weeks. Let's go, Dave Digital, my man. God bless you, bro. Redman, God bless you, man. Billy Go Tails in the chat. My family, man. Love you guys. All right, here we go. Here comes the news, everybody. Boo, 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 boo. 48.5 coming in under expectations. Okay, 48.5. A little bit of a nothing burger so far. Nas rolling over. 38.5. 38.5, meaning, manufacturing is dropping. Business confidence in the United States decreased to 48.5 points in May from 48.70. So it has dropped a little bit. We're on a little bit of a decline here. This is bearish. Look at the rollover here happening on the Nas. Okay, NASDAQ rolling over. SFP on the NASDAQ. Bitcoin rolling over. Good no trade for us. Okay. Good no trade for us. A little patience here. A little sweep and bounce here happening on the NASDAQ. A little patience here. Bit of a nothing burger, really. Bit of a nothing burger. You guys like burgers? Trying to bounce here. Bitcoin's trying to bounce. Bitcoin's trying to bounce here. Retest of orb. If we can reclaim orb, I'll get long. Okay. Come on, Bitcoin, push it. I'm long. See if we can bounce here. Looking for the bounce. Might be a little bit of a rejection here off orb instead. Looking for the bounce. Come on, Bitcoin, push, baby. Come on, corn. Let's go, corn. Just coming up for that wick test. That'd be nice up in here. See if we get some follow through. Come on, Bitcoin, push it, baby. A little bit more. Is the NASDAQ bouncing? Yeah, NASDAQ's bouncing nice. Look for follow through here. Come on, baby. A little bit more. You got it. You got it. Don't be a namby-pamby. Come on. Don't be a namby-pamby. Keep going, baby. That wick test right here. Okay. TP1 hit. Stop loss to entry. Keep pushing, baby. TP1 hit. Quick $100. See if we want to keep pushing, baby. The gang. Let's go. My God, we're back. We're back. It's good to be back, baby. It's good to be back. Oh man. Yeah, that's like $300 on the day so far. $200. We'll see if this wants to continue. If it doesn't, whatever. Whatever. If it does want to roll over, you can see the wick test right here, right? Wick test coming in. Slap. So you could short that depending on what your bias is. I'm looking for a bounce here. But you can see the little wick test in here, right? Wick here to here. That's your wick test rejection. First take profit. Quick $100. Man, we back, baby. We back. It's so good to be back. We all in that yoga pose all day. We in the yoga pose 2 for 2 for the trades today. Another day. Another dollar. Just because all right, you're gonna go over to what do we got here? When's your last video there, Infinite Team TA? You got are you doing lives? What are you doing here? You got home video, streams, lives, trade BTC. You got any trading educational videos? All right, stopped out of that trade. Quick $100. Rejection here. GG's everybody. See if it wants to continue. If we reclaim orb, we can look for a push up into VWAP. If y'all want to go over here and subscribe to Infinite Team TA, we're going to do the giveaway right now. Get on over to this video. Comment Otter Gang. Go over here. Otter Gang. Subscribe to Infinite Team TA. Support a fellow content creator. Like the video. And we're going to do the giveaway. Get over to this video. Comment Otter Gang. We're going to do a 1-month giveaway. Here it is. Comment Otter Gang. We just hit 14,000 subscribers, baby. You guys are crazy. Thank you for being here. 2 trades today, 2 for 2. Buckle my shoe. You got to be subscribed, though, to win this. You got to show me that you're subscribed, and you got to send me your YouTube link. Otter Gang. Looks like the Nas is pushing here. Nice bounce off the NASDAQ. I'd be cautious here, guys. No trade anymore. Need to see reclaim here. Nice SFP. Previous day's low. Looking for a continuation up to VWAP. That's the trade. No, I'm out for now, though. Okay, we're doing the comment picker here. You guys all went over there, right? 9 + 1 is 12. Get in the comments here. You guys better be over at that beautiful Infinite Team TA here. Comment Otter Gang, please. If you are a Discord member, we will give you money. Look at Bitcoin ripping now. Should have stayed in the trade. Should have stayed in the trade, baby. Look at it go. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. We'd love to know. All right, everybody over there commenting Otter Gang. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. 2 + 9 is 14. What's the speed on this? What do we got? 15 seconds here. Dun da da dun da da dun da da dun. Boom 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 boom. Jeremiah. Boom boom come over to the Discord, man. Get you set up. Join the gang. Be kind. Don't be a douche canoe. Okay, be kind. Don't be a douche canoe. Please, everybody. Be kind. Don't be a douche canoe. Congratulations, Jeremiah. Jeremiah. Here I go again. Thank you guys for subscribing to Infinite Team TA. Getting those subscribers up. Supporting fellow content creators. Trying to help you guys navigate these crazy, crazy charts. That's what we're all here for. Thank you, everybody, so much for being here. What a day. I'm going to send you over to one of our Discord traders right now. His name is Brewberry. He is an amazing human. I've met him in real life now. You can't stop it. The man, the myth, the legend. Go over there, slam him with a whole bunch of otters in the chat. He is one of our premium Discord members who trades, gives setups, gives all your altcoin ideas. If there's altcoins or anything you want him to look at, he does it for you. He is an absolute ninja on the charts. He's actually a black belt, and he will kick your head off. But I'm going to send you over there. Guys, it's good to be back. 2 trades today, 1 break even, 1 winner. Okay? We're back, baby. God bless every single one of you. It's Monday. Trade safe. Let's get a little bit of push down, and then I think we go up for the rest of the week. God bless you guys. I will see you guys later in the Discord. Remember, the membership, last day, then it's gone. All right? Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof,